Orbitwave Digital Notice Board. The Orbitwave Digital Notice Board is an advanced solution designed to enhance communication and information dissemination in various settings, including school, office, public spaces, and more. With multiple screen size options and robust features, it offers flexibility, durability, and ease of use. Versatile screen sizes 32-inch, 43-inch, 55-inch, 65-inch are the options. The Orbitwave Digital Notice Board is available in a range of screen sizes to suit different needs and spaces. Whether you require a compact display for a small area or a larger screen for a high visibility application, there is a size to meet your requirement. Each size ensures clear, visible content that capture attention and convey information effectively. Durable and safe design. Toughened glass cover. The digital notice board is equipped with a toughened glass cover that provides enhanced durability and protection. This glass is designed to withstand impact and resist scratches, ensuring the screen remains in excellent condition even with frequent use. Lockable door. For added security, the notice board features a lockable door. These features prevent unauthorized access and tampering, safeguarding the content and ensuring that only authorized personnel can make changes or updates. Flexible data management. Pen drive support. User can easily manage and update content via a USB pen drive. Simply insert the pen drive into the designated port to upload or modify files, making it a straightforward solution for on-site updates. Cloud management features. For remote management, the Orbitwave Digital Notice Board supports cloud-based operation. This functionality allows users to update and manage content online from anywhere, providing a convenient way to make changes without needing physical access of the device. Enhanced display quality. High resolution display. The digital notice board features a high resolution screen that delivers sharp, clear visuals. This ensures that text, image, and videos are displayed with excellent clarity, enhancing readability and visual impact. Display and visibility. Designated to perform well in various lighting conditions, notice board offers a stable brightness level to ensure content remains visible and eye-catching regardless of ambient light. User-friendly interface, intuitive control. The Orbitwave Digital Notice Board includes user-friendly controls for easy operation. Whether managing content via a pen drive or through cloud-based software, the interface is designated to be intuitive and accessible.